Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to get pog pets in the pog cat. As you can see right now, a pog dog, pog cat, which I got from my achievement, and a pog dragon. So that's how you get it. Well, first let me show you my achievement to see that I'm not lying about it. Pog champ. You'll never get this achievement. I got it. And as you see, I have pog dragon, pog dog, pog cat. Now, if you want them, first step, wait, actually before I show you the first step, let's see how strong they are. They're really strong. Anyway, the first step on getting this is you're going to head to here. And before I tell you the rest, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn your notifications on for more content. And by the way, you need to be at least impossible or up to do this. So if you're not impossible or up, friend me on Roblox so I could help you. And so this is how you do the rest. You type in knock, space, knock, and then knock. You get teleported to here. And Preston did these signs saying, hi. Update got delayed, so I added this in for the meantime. You're welcome, Preston. These pets will become obtainable on Saturday 18th, which I already have them. And pog cat, pog dog, pog dragon, and pog mortis. These pets are like really rare, so yeah. As you can see, it costs 11 billion fantasy coins, which is actually really hard to get. And if you guys want to, oh yeah, and my friend gave me this mythical, first mythical, and yeah, my friend gave me it. No, I'm gonna see my pet collection. Okay. Here's my pet collection. On 7 off. I wanna see mine. Where's my pog cat? Oh yeah, look. So that's the pog mortis right there. It's not the pog mortis, but yeah, it's up there, mortis. Empyrean fox. Okay, guys, I want to get a dark matter. Let's get a hashtag dark matter in the chat here. Okay, Kraken. What? Is this an egg here? Do I get this in here? Let's see. Let me see. Is that it? Try and get it. Let's try and get the Kraken. Oh, it'll take a while. No, I'm not gonna even waste my time. I'm not gonna waste my time. I'm just gonna waste my time so hard. Toggle delete. Right. Oh. Get out of there. Anyway, as I was saying, this video is mainly about the pog cat, the pog dragon, and the pog dog. So, let's see how fast they can break stuff. We already saw how fast they could break coins. Let's see how fast they could break crates. Okay, that was just 1 second. How about presents? 1. Okay, wait. That wasn't both. 1. Okay, 1 second. How about the big chest? 1. 1 second. That's nice. How about the big safe? This is the last one. 1. Okay. Let's try the volcano chest. 1. 2. Oh wait. Okay, I wasn't counting correctly. 1, 2. That takes 2 seconds to break. Okay, well, as you know. Oh no, get out of here. The Pog Dragon, Pog Dog, and Pog Cat are really strong. And really rare to get. And if you were wondering, I was wondering if, like, since I saw in an lclc video, shout out to lclc by the way, I looked at the video and it showed that some developer posted a purple crystal. So I was maybe thinking, like, right here, I would have tried and, like, climbed up on here, and, well, let me do it again. How come I done it before, but I can't do it? There's shift lock enable. Maybe I could use shift lock. Oh, dang, I can't shift lock, okay. Come on, don't let me down, don't let me down, don't let me down, don't let me down. I don't care what it is. Oh wait, can I make a rainbow first? Oh yeah, I can, okay. Let's make a rainbow one of these, one on. How strong is it? It's not really that strong, okay. Anyway, let's try and get on top of here. One of the tubes. Okay, got it. Okay. And then I would have tried clicking the purple crystal, but nothing happened. So but I did not try this trick yet. Get on the purple tube and then try and touch the crystal. Okay, well I tried that now, but I don't think anything happened. So that's a full tutorial on how to get Pog Cat, Pog Dragon, and Pog Dog. If you're lucky enough, you might even get the Pog Immortals. And by the way, this is my first Pet Simulator X video channel, right here, right now. And now I'm going to try and grind coins and get some mythicals. So enjoy me trying to do this. Okay. Yeah, all my Pog pets are right here, right now. My team, come on, chest, spawn. Chest, come on and spawn. Spawn. Okay, thank you. There we go. Now, while they did that business, I'm actually gonna go here, shop, yeah. And let's see if I can get a mythical out of this egg. Actually, no, out of this egg. Let's try getting a mythical out of this egg. I'm kind of scared to do because I really have no luck with this, so it's really hard. Okay, so let's go super lucky, and let's go lucky, and let's turn auto hatch on. Wish me luck. Really want a Wyvern of Hades. If they do have auto hatch on, by the way, have auto hatch. Come on, hatch me a Wyvern of Hades. It's gonna give me a bunch of demons. I know that's what I do. And hellhounds that I know. Stop giving me hellhounds and give me better pets. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna stop hatching real quick. I'm gonna hatch one gold egg. Actually, no. I'm gonna collect my coins. Then I'm gonna come back to hatching. I feel like I'm about to run out. Actually, let me get to at least 1,500,000,000. And yeah. Hi, Pog Cat. Wait, I need to name my Pog Dog. Hold on. Should I name it? Guys, tell me in the comments what I should name it. Wait, did I name it? Okay, well, guys, there's a glitch. Developer, if you're Preston, if you're watching this, fix it. So after it doesn't show a name, and then you don't know. Anyway, yeah, this is gonna take so long. Wait, hold on. I'm at least gonna get 2 billion. I'm just gonna try and get to just 1 billion and then start hatching. I'm going 100 my goal now. I'm gonna look at my achievements. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can do diamond achievements. How much diamonds do you get for 50k for hatching a miserable pet? Oh, hi. Okay, successfully convert 25 pets to rainbow. Okay, I'm just gonna hatch a bunch of eggs, like regular eggs. I need a gold pog cat. I'm not getting a gold pog cat. Once I can open another, I hope I get a pog cat. So after I can open it, and boom, I can make gold and then rainbow and then all stuff like that. Who has a wyvern of hay? We got them. Not even close to him though. I wish I got mixed Where fantasy gold. 5k, that's just fine. Oh my god, I'm trying to. Ow! I was trying to touch my. What's it called? My eyelid, yeah. I can touch my eyelid, guys. See if you guys can do it. No, I'm just kidding. You can just. Over there, over there. Pog dog, okay. Pog dog. Pog dog. I just don't understand. Oh yeah! Shout out to lclc because because he's the one. Okay, guys, we'll erase that off. Shout out to lclc because he's the one who actually inspired me to upload Pet Simulator X, and shout out to him because he showed me how to get Pog Cat by his video. Anyway, I hit a billion, now I'm just trying to get 100. Almost there. Like these pets. Yes. Okay, only offer. Okay, this, and now for this. I can get all these back very easily, so I don't really not mind. And, oh yeah, one legendary. Hello? And wait, how about this? Yes. Guys, should I do it? First, wait, this thing, okay. I'm doing it. No, I can't. I just can't. It's risky. Hacker. No. Okay. Oh, an angel. Okay, now just scratch him. Scratch him, but I know I said 100,000, but We hit more than that, so 500,000. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. My ultra luck is almost ending. So here's the deal. Let's do a deal. Deal. Activate. Okay. Now we can start hatching. There we go. Okay, let's do it again. Please do not get any help. I am lagging so hard. Okay, no. I ran to my computer. Okay, yeah. What I get? An epic demon, okay. I got an airhead, guys. Yep, maybe fast because only 18 that's all gone. Besides, good. Probably gonna add another way to get Pog. Today my inventory is all heavy. Let's see, 35 pets. Oh god! Oh goodness! Okay. Let's start on opening a new egg. Get out. Get out of my inventory, guys. Don't need a million. Never in my life. I have Pog CAT. Okay. Got some bad pets. Okay. Some good, some bad. Now let's see what mythical I can get. Can't go down. Let's just try again. Let's see who has a mythical. it's so massive. Oh, do you wanna? See here, guys. I'm recording. Did you know that? Oh. No. Okay. Got another airhead. Okay. Sure, I'm from recording. See how many views my last video got. Okay. Guys, she's not shooting this up real quick. It's funny. But I'm shooting also. Okay, just tell me the rest when I'm done recording. Last one. I need to delete all these pets. Not that. The west. Okay. Good. And remember, she's in the kitchen, so she hopped out of pantry. Thank you. I want to take waves. I'll take waves. Okay, all the pets she goes. Okay. Okay. I'm not doing it anymore. Let me see. My pets are done with this, so I'm gonna get more. You only bring me 1 billion, and I'm not proud of it. Okay. Anyways, guys, I showed you how to get Pog Cat. I'm gonna show you one more time. So, to make sure you guys were watching to the end of the video.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm keeping an eye.
Because Pog Cat, if you say that Pog Cat's ugly, then
You will have bad luck for the rest of your life.
yes, and you'll get payback from the Pog Cat.
Yes, you will. Anyway, so here's how to get Pog Cat once again. Wait for the power of the Pog Cat. Let me unequip all these other pets. We only need Pog Dog, Pog Cat, and Pog Dragon equips. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Knock. Neck. And we get teleported in here. These pets will come unobtainable. Well, there's a picture of all the Pog pets.
Yeah, only
Pog Immortus, Pog Dragon, Pog Cat, Pog Dog.
for the next Pog Cat video, pet simulator at
Anyways, guys, that's all I had for you today. So enjoy your day,
Don't
and
forget
I'll
to
see
like
you.
and subscribe and click the bell button.
Yes, and I'll see you all in the next
I
one.
don't know what a bell button is.
Bye.
Bye.